Okay, we're back. I finished breadboarding a circuit here. Basically what I've done is create my breadboard in a box where I've built the circuit on a piece of perf board. Let's see, it's got little solder pads and everything. And I have used sockets and connected the sockets where the points are supposed to connect for the components so that I can change components out. And I'm using an asymmetrical clipper configuration where I've taken the two diodes that had the 600 millivolt reading and put them together with the LED on the other side of the circuit. Of course, I had to add the 47K resistor for the power supply and a 4K7 resistor for the LED, but I am using everything that I had pulled for use except for this 10 ohm resistor right here, because it really doesn't have any place that I could use it. And I did draw up a schematic for the pinout of this particular transistor, since it is a emitter collector base configuration for this kind of series. The original schematic has a emitter base collector configuration the way that it's drawn, which is what you normally encounter in small signal effects anyway. But because this is what I had, this is what I designed. So now all I have to do is wire everything up into my handy prototyping box. I use this to design circuits all the time. I make a lot of these circuit boards for the different circuit blocks that I like to use, and then I can just try components at will. I can put in variable resistors when I want to try different things out. I can add to them, subtract from them, and just makes designing a lot easier. I still like breadboarding, but once I know what I want to work with, that's what I like to do, because you really get a feel for how it's going to fit inside of an enclosure. And if you have any proximity problems with your circuit layout, they're going to show. Just take some of the error out of the trial and error process. So that's the way the Space Wolf operates whenever he's designing pedals. Let me know what you guys do, but that's just the way that I've always found it works best for me, the way that I visualize things and the way that I like to think. So anyway, we're gonna pause now and go wire this up and give it a test.